square root of 2 minus square root of 3 square equals blank. Okay, so to simplify this, we will just use the formula for square of binomial. So the formula for square of binomial is if we have a plus or minus b squared, so that is equal to square the first term, a squared, plus or minus twice the product of the first and second. So we have 2ab and then plus square of the last term. So we have b squared. Okay, so we have b squared. Okay, so let's apply the formula. Let's just substitute a is the square root of 2 and then b is the square root of 3. So if we apply the formula, we have square the first term. So we have square root of 2 minus square root of 3 squared. That is equal to square the first term, square root of 2 squared, minus, since the sign is negative, so minus 2. So we have 2ab. So 2 times the first term, we have square root of 2. And then b, the second term, so we have times square root of 3. And then plus square of the last term, so we have square root of 3 squared. Okay, so let's just simplify. Square root of 2 square, we can cancel the square and the square root because they are inverse operation. Okay, so cancel this, so we have 2. Minus 2, we can multiply because they both have square root. We can multiply the 2 and 3 and they are inside the square root. So 2 times 3, we have 6. And then plus, cancel the square root and the square, so we have 3. So final answer, we combine the 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3, we have 5. Just copy this, minus 2 square root of 6. So the answer is letter A, 5 minus 2 square root of 6. Follow for more.